Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by selecting bread with low moisture. Day-old baguette or sandwich loaves work. Tear the loaf into 1 2-inch pieces so your processor can handle them evenly. Once done, pulse in a food processor for short bursts to avoid paste. If you don't have one, grate with a box grater. Make sure to reserve any crusts separately for coarse crumbs. If you plan to dry in the oven, preheat to 200 degrees F, 95 degrees C, and spread pieces in a single layer on a baking sheet. You'll control texture by pulsing. Short 5-10 bursts for coarse crumbs, 15-20 bursts for fine crumbs, and check visually between pulses. Once crumb size is right, season if desired. About 1/2 teaspoons salt or 1 teaspoon dried herbs per 2 cups of crumbs adds flavor. Mix gently so you don't compress them. If they feel moist, finish by drying on a baking sheet at 200 degrees F for 10-20 minutes, stirring every 5 minutes to ensure even crisping and prevent browning. You must cool crumbs completely before storing so condensation won't make them soggy. Spread on a tray and wait 20-30 minutes. Then portion into airtight jars or resealable bags in 1-2 cup amounts for easy use. Store at room temperature for 1-2 weeks, refrigerate for 3-4 weeks, or freeze up to 6 months. If you find crumbs became soft, retoast them at 300 degrees F for 5-10 minutes, cool fully. Then reseal. This restores crunch and prevents spoilage if humidity caused the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.